Yeah, so my name is Alice Eme, and if you're new here, karibu sana. Well, guys, first subscribe if you are new person on this channel. First of all, we love you so much and thank you for taking time to click this specific video, and please, we would love you to be part of our family. Yes, so welcome. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for the support. Thank you for not giving up. Manze, like one of these days I haven't been consistent. There was a change in work, and then so I've been trying to get used to a few changes at work. Yeah, but we've been good. So let's get straight to this video, guys. First of all, I wasn't planning to get to our bedroom. By the title of the video, you already know that we are doing an empty house tour, and that is one bedroom. And guys, I wasn't really planning to get to our bedroom. It wasn't in my plan, I can say. It wasn't in my plan to, get to this house. I had the mind of shifting, but my mind was still about bed sitter. Because if you have all watched my previous video, and that is bed sitter tour, my house, I told you guys my bed sitter, it wasn't tiled. That is the one thing. And then the other thing is that the cabins were not closed. Yeah, both the downer and then the upper cabins. So I used not to love the house for that specific thing. So much as I had been there for quite long, I really had it in mind that soon I would be shifting, and this is the time. And by the time I'm speaking, by the time you guys are seeing this video, we have already shifted to our one bedroom. Okay. I know you guys are like really excited about our bedroom. Yes, because it's a small achievement, I can say. It's not something that I was really planning to have, or it's not something that I was really planning to, get into. Like, I wasn't planning to shift our bedroom that soon. I really had my plans of getting up to a bed sitter, but I was looking at a bed sitter that had that was tiled and also had closed cabins. Yeah, and now I happened to visit a friend. You all know Miriam, and then she was like, they are somehow just right there, and I was like, okay, let me just have a look at them. And we come to this house, and I really love the house. Now, the first day of entering in this house, as you all going to see this video, this house was really upside down. It was so dirty. I was like, oh my god. But besides that, I really love the house. I love the lighting, because you all know I shoot with my phone. Yeah, so the lighting is not that bad. Those are some of the things that I look at when I'm looking for a house. She doesn't have a lot of lighting like in my previous bed sitter. Yeah, but even this is not bad. And I'm also going to show you that it has an sitting area, and then it has a bedroom. And then the good thing with the bedroom, it has an inbuilt simple kind of wardrobe, not like the other wardrobes you find in the other bed sitter. Please leave me. Not like the other wardrobes that you find in the one bedrooms. Yeah, but this is kind of simple, but it's still good. And then the kitchen, okay, the cabins are closed down but not up, but it's still okay. At least they are closed down. Yeah, so why waste time? So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, Manze. You have been so supportive. I really thank you for keeping it up here, and please kindly share my videos. Let's get to the start.